Hey, welcome to part 5. I said there was only going to be 4 parts, so we'll call this one odds and ends. We're not going to need the phone anymore, probably. We're just really looking right now at a couple of options that weren't appearing when we were doing the last demo. And that's because we were inside the game. Once we come into our game builder, we'll always see any of the games we've created and we'll see any of the games we've joined. So I can come back in at any time. I can click on settings and I'll be in that very familiar area where I see the game builder, settings, challenges, teams, approvals, exports, and combo rewards. What I don't see from there is a few options we're just going to quickly look at. So stream and leaderboard. So if you're doing a game and people are meeting at a spot, or they want to be able to see how they're doing on your website or somewhere else you're promoting this, again, the leaderboard here is a web link to your leaderboard. So I'm just going to open that in a new tab, and then I'm going to click in on that. And what you'll see is the exact same thing we see on the normal leaderboard, but it's in big. So I can see how many points, how many challenges they completed, scroll through, search, etc. This will update itself as people are completing challenges. So sometimes I want to have that up somewhere in order to show people, again, who are coming in for an event. Stream, again, same idea with the stream as the leaderboard. It's the live stream. Yes, it's available on the app. Yes, people can see it there. But if I want to pull up the stream and just go through some of the challenges, I can see any of the challenges submitted. I can see the team. If I want to just sort and see any freedom jumps, I could just click on freedom jump and see what anyone submitted for that. Or if I want to look at a specific team, I can do that. So you've got access to the leaderboard and the live stream via the web. Now, obviously, everyone can't see that on the web. Your game's password protected, so people would need the password to be able to get into your live stream or your leaderboard. Now, Widgets is the live stream and the leaderboard as little widget of code here. So there's my snippet of code. If I want to take this and put this on my own website, I want to put the leaderboard on my own promotional site or anywhere I want, my blog I'm doing for my event, there I go. Cut it, paste it, you're good to go. If you need a widget for something else, you need a custom widget, etc., again, you're just going to get in touch, info@socialscavenger.com, and we're going to figure out how to build you the custom widget you need. So settings, stream, leaderboard, widgets, that's what we hadn't seen. And then one other thing we hadn't seen is clone. So this is for people who are running a series of games. So you might be a team building company, you might be an internal corporation, you're doing employee training or games or orientation programs. And you say, oh, I really love my 60-minute campus orientation game, but I want to do something custom for this group. Super easy. You come in here, you click this clone button, it's going to create a copy of this game. So that's it. I don't have to do everything again. I don't have to create all the challenges again. I don't have to figure it out again. It gives me something to start with and edit down from. So you might even have, 80 challenges in there, but you ever only do 50 challenges. So then you're going to clone it and just delete things, because it's always easier to start with something and edit it than creating something from scratch, as we all know. So when I clone, it takes a minute, it's copying the whole thing, and now you can see the name says copy later of. So copy later of is just fake words we've thrown in there so that it's got a unique name, and we've made up an entry code. So that stuff you're going to change. You're going to go into the settings, you're going to give it the real name, you're going to give it the real entry code you want, and then you're going to go into challenges and delete them, edit them, change them. So if it's for a specific client and you want to make it very personal, that's how you're going to do that. So that's your odds and ends of everything kind of in the game builder that we hadn't looked at. So hopefully that covers things. Again, anytime, reach out, info@socialscavenger.com, fastest way to reach us, and we can help you with any parts of your game building process. Okay, thanks and have a great game.